When we're combining like terms, the first thing we need to take care of is making sure that any variable that does not have a coefficient written in front of it gets a 1. So the first one that does not have a coefficient is this one, h, so it's now going to have a 1 in front of that. And then we need to do it with this x as well. Then the second step is to leave change opposite. So we're going to leave change opposite, leave change opposite, leave change opposite, and that's it. And now we're ready to put the ones together that go together. So let's just start with 12ab. We're going to look for another term that has an a and a b, and we see it right here. Okay, so those are the only ones that go together in that kind of family. So if we have a positive 12ab and a negative 2ab, the signs are different, which means we find the difference. So we subtract 12 and 2 and we get 10. And then we have ab. Remember, our exponents never change unless we're multiplying or dividing, and we were adding and subtracting there. All right. I've switched colors. We now are going to 15H and we look and we see another term that's going to go with it, and that looks like it's it. So positive 15H and a negative 1H, the signs are different, so we find the difference, which means to subtract 15 and 1, we get 14H, and it's going to be positive because 15 wins the battle. Then we get a negative 24x, and we actually have three x terms. So we're going to put all three of these together. The 1x and the 3x make 4x, and so we're left with a negative 24x and a positive 4x. Signs again are different, so we find the difference. We would subtract and get 20x, and it would be negative because the 24x would win the battle. And so that would be your final third term of this answer.